Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just Wi-Fi not connecting on your phone, so how you can also fix it. So first thing you can try to open the settings, and in the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. So first thing, just try to turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again. So another thing you can tap just on your Wi-Fi network and just tap here forget this network, just submit on forget, and after just try to connect again. So just write your password and just try to connect again to your Wi-Fi. And if it doesn't help you, you can also just try to go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And the latest option you can try to go to the general, just scroll down, just find here reset, and here you will see reset network settings. So just tap on it and submit resetting network settings. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.